It's no secret that crime is one of Jamaica's biggest struggles, and every government has had to face it. Recently, Prime Minister Andrew Holness pinned the blame for Jamaica's high crime rates on what he calls PNP-ism, a term he seems to use to suggest that the People's National Party, PNP, is somehow responsible for the crime crisis. But here's the thing, the PNP hasn't been in power for almost 8 years. So is it fair to keep pointing the finger at them? Holness's main argument is that the PNP opposes one of his go-to strategies to control crime, states of emergency, SOEs. These SOEs give security forces more power to act in areas where violence flares up, and Holness believes they're crucial to bringing down crime in high-risk areas. But the PNP sees things differently. They argue that SOEs are only temporary fixes that don't address the deeper issues that fuel crime, like poverty, lack of jobs, and poor social conditions. They're also worried about people's rights being affected under SOEs, which limit certain freedoms to give the police more control. This clash over SOEs has led Holness to claim that the PNP's approach, or PNP-ism as he calls it, is soft on crime, but that criticism feels like a way to shift blame. After all, the Jamaica Labour Party, JLP, has been in power since 2016. Almost 8 years is a long time to make a difference, and Jamaicans are looking for results. While the PNP's ideas may not be perfect, the real question is whether relying so heavily on SOEs is a sustainable way to tackle crime, or if a more balanced approach is needed. Crime is a complex issue with deep roots. It's not something that SOEs alone can fix, nor can we place the blame entirely on one party. Addressing crime means tackling the social and economic problems that drive people to it in the first place. Both parties should work together to come up with real solutions that go beyond quick fixes and take on the long-term challenges. The back-and-forth blaming doesn't get us anywhere. What Jamaicans need is a clear, lasting plan that focuses on improving lives and making communities safer. It's time for less finger-pointing and more real action from everyone.